Hello guys, so today it's raining pretty hard, kaya I decided to stay at home and just clean my space. Okay, don't know what to say, but please excuse my my haggard looking face. I hope you're all doing good, and let's go, let's clean. Hey guys, good afternoon. Today's July 24. It's a Wednesday. Dapat alis ako today kasi I need to shoot a video for a brand. Pero since it's raining since yesterday, baka na dito sa amin. And I'm currently staying here sa Espanya para malapit sa UNIV. And ayun, actually kanina lumusong ako sa baha. And I think it's my second time. For the past 3 years of living here sa Espanya, ngayon na lang ulit ako lumusong kasi wala akong pagkain and I haven't, hindi pa ako nag-grocery. So, I don't have food kanina kaya I had to kadire. But don't worry, I took a shower after. Also, yun nga, since kailangan ko sana mag-shoot ng video, I think I need to reschedule kapag wala ng baha and hindi na umuulan kasi may bagyo. There's a typhoon, so I hope hindi kayo mawala ng food and I hope that may stock kayong essentials, especially at this time na may bagyo nga. Anyway, I hope you're all doing good pa rin, staying at home. So please take care guys. Ayun. Anyway, I'll just have to conceptualize and maybe read the book later. Bye-bye. I'll update you later or next clip. Today is July 25. Buti na lang naging sunny kasi kung hindi na naman matutuloy yung shoot natin today. So, we're heading to One Ayala because we're going to check out a Samsung store and we're going to shoot there for a special mission. And I'm actually meeting up with one of the ambassadors, si Gab. Buti na lang we became friends during the kickoff party, at least now, diba? May makakatulong sa akin with the conceptualization, the shoot, and ayun. So after that, I might meet up with a friend and have dinner with him. So, I'll update you guys kapag nasa One Ayala na tayo. Hey guys, so I just arrived here at One Ayala and I'm just looking for a gap because we're going to shoot na in a bit.